Let me show you first. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Octopus!
คุณนกเล็กกับน้าถูกใจ
Hello everyone, I'm Mermaid Kathy and welcome to my underwater world. Today, I have two special guests that will explore my cave with me. Are you ready to meet them? Yes? Okay, let's welcome Mermaid ถูกใจ and Mermaid นกเล็ก
เราอยู่กันที่ Under the Sea
Yes, and welcome to my cave. I have lots of friends I would like you to meet today. Would you like to meet them?
Yes
Okay, number one. Our first sea creature today is
What's that?
a crab. Let's have a look at the crab. Ooh,
Wow.
Is the crab big or small?
Small
Can you? Do you know where its eyes are? Where's the eye? There.
Wow
Or does it walk that way? Which way does it walk? In front. Okay. Bye bye, crab.
Bye bye
Oh, let's look at this one.
What's that?
This is a northern whiting. Is it a big or small fish?
Small
Small fish. What colors can you see?
White
White and? Can you see some yellow there? Yes. Smells nice. You say bye bye, northern whiting.
Northern
Whiting.
Northern
Bye-bye.
whiting Bye bye
Now I have something bigger. Mommy, can you get that big fish over there? Yes.
โอ้ปลาตัวใหญ่เลย Big fish
Oh, look at that. This is a sea bass.
Sea bass
It's super yummy. It's very yummy.
ยัมมี่ไหมลูก
Yes. And it swims in the ocean like that. Ooh, is it big or small?
Big
Big. Do you like eating sea bass? Yes. Okay. Can we get this one there? What is that?
What is that ถูกใจ
Let me show you first. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Octopus!
Octopus
Yes, that's right. It's an octopus. How many tentacles does it have? Shall we count? 1,
2
2,
3 4 5 6 7 8
8. Can you see its eyes? Its eyes are hiding somewhere. Wow! Very good. Bye, octopus.
Bye
And something bigger. Are you ready to see something bigger?
Yes
What is that? Ready to have a look? 1, 2, 3. This is a squid.
Squid
It's similar. It looks the same as an octopus, but it isn't. Wow. Do you eat this?
Yes
Yes? Oh, okay. Say bye-bye to squid.
Bye Squid Bye
That one there. What's that? Ooh.
Shrimp
It's a shrimp. Oh, look, it has some legs there. Look, how many legs does it have?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
10. Last one there. And do you know what's that in there, that orange thing? It's its brain. Where's your brain? Yeah, that's right. And this is so sharp. If you touch it, you're going to hurt yourself. So don't touch that one, okay? Okay. Bye-bye, shrimp.
Bye bye
Ooh. What is that? This is a mussel.
Mussel
Yes, they put it on the grill and then we eat it. Yummy.
Yummy.
So what color is the shell?
Green.
Green. Very good.
Bye bye, Marcel. Bye bye.
Ooh. This is a Venus shell.
Venus shells.
Yeah. I don't know what they do with it, but it looks very yummy. And then we have another one. Ooh, this is a cockle. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Which one is smooth? Look at the shell. Which one is smooth? Smooth, rough. Smooth, rough. Yes. Touch that one. See, it's rough. Tucha, are you ready to play a game?
Yeah.
Okay, first we have to. I have a treasure chest full of treasure, of diamonds. Look. Wow! But inside the treasure chest, there's lots of sea creatures that want to go to their box. Can you help them?
เดี๋ยวเราจะช่วยกันเอาดิ
Okay.
เอามาใส่ในกล่องนะลูก โอเค
Let's go.
let's go oh big fish squid yes
Where does the mussel go?
mussel
Yay!
sea bed
Again.
sea bed ว้าวโอเค ต่อไปอ้าวครับเย้ต่อไปนี่ Northern Whiting เร็ว Northern Whiting โอเคcrab เว้ย
Oh.
นี่ชิม yes ชิมโอ้ mussel oh yes มีนะเชลอันนี้อะไรอ๋อ cocktail โอเค
What else have we got? Get any
octopus yes
Another one, look.
quickly
What's that?
อ้าว mussel
Is there any more? Look. Oh! It's
Mina
cold.
shells okay
Good job. Tukchai, very good. Now you have to count everything and then look for the number and put on the box. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes? 7. Then you look for number 7 and you stick it here, okay? Like that, yes?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You have to do it very fast though, okay? How many crabs? 3. Where's the number 3?
3
Yay! 3. Trees. And
yes 3
ooh.
yes เขา
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 yes 4
Very good.
next
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 โอเค 7นี่ cocktail
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
ไหน 10 ไหน number 10 yes นี่ next
Squid 1.
1 yes อ้าวเอาจะพูด
1,
1 2 3
3,
4
So we'll just take one of those and put it there, okay?
โอเค
Mm.
Done.
ได้ไปชิม
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 yes 5
5. That.
Which one? The big fish?
sea bass 1 yes 1
Very
okay
good. And last?
next huh mussel
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 yes wow
So, Tukjai, did you enjoy touching all the sea creatures? Yes?
Yes.
Wow. Next time we'll come again and we'll bring something else, okay? Okay.
โอ้โห เรียนภาษาอังกฤษนี่สนุกจริงๆเลยค่ะ สนุกไหมคะถูกใจ
สนุกค่ะ
ใครที่อยากที่จะเรียนภาษาอังกฤษสนุกๆแบบนี้นะคะ ก็สามารถมาทดลองเรียนกับแคมป์ภาษาอังกฤษที่โรงเรียนนานาชาติเซนต์จอห์นแมรี่สระบุรีได้เลยนะคะ รับรองสนุกแน่ๆเลยค่ะ
Come and join us at SaintJohnMary International School. I promise you, you'll have lots of fun.
ก็สามารถติดต่อสอบถามรายละเอียดได้ตามลิงก์และเบอร์โทรข้างล่างนี้ได้เลยนะคะ มาเรียนภาษาอังกฤษกันเยอะๆนะจ๊ะ บ๊ายบาย
อย่าลืมกด Subscribe ปุ่มกระดิ่งกุ้งกิ้งแล้วก็เป็นแรงใจเลยนะคะ
ค่ะ แล้วก็สามารถชมคลิปอื่นๆ สนุกๆ ของครูนกเล็กได้ตามลิงก์ข้างบนนี้ได้เลยนะคะ ลาไปก่อนค่ะ บ๊ายบาย